Hi, and welcome back to Mr. Petrimo's tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to get the shareable link and some sharing settings in Google. In front of you, you will see my copy of the rank posters that were made for me by a student. And so I'm going to demonstrate using a slide. The same technique works the exact same way for Google Docs and Google Sheets. So no matter which one you get, you're going to be able to share that link with me. So here we go. We're going to go up to the sharing button on my posters and we're going to hit share. Now, the normal way or easy typical way is to just type in the person's initials. In my case, P. Petrimo. My first name is Paul, so PP, and then my name pops up. And I can share by clicking on my name, and then I can give edit access, comment only access, or only view. That so people can just view it. They can't comment on it or edit. So I'm going to decide my sharing options, and then I would hit the send button. However, for many Resli quests, you're going to get the shareable link. That is right here. So when I open up those sharing settings, I'm going to click Get Shareable Link here, and it's going to open up a very different window. This is going to open up a copy link window, and anyone at Bow School District with the link can view. Now, you can change that setting, but that's the one you're going to need for me almost every time. However, it might be that you want me to make comments. So you may want to change it to comment, or if you would like me to be able to manipulate and edit, you can give me edit privileges. But for most things, I'm just going to view your work and grade it and then give you your credit on Resli. So I'm going to copy the link, and here, link copied to clipboard. Then I will be able to go back to Resli and paste in the link. So here is another tutorial for sharing getting shareable links for documents for Resli. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.